My name is Leann Downey. I'm a manufacturing engineer and I work at Elbit America. Full-time, I've been here almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in May, but I was a summer intern for 2 summers before I accepted the full-time position. The jobs I do are always different, but usually what I do, I work on improvement projects to increase yield or decrease waste or increase efficiency. I also help on other projects that other people might need, but I work very collaboratively on a lot of teams. I really like the company because I like what we do. I think here in Roanoke we do night vision goggles, and that was a really interesting piece of technology. And I was really looking to increase my education in the engineering world, and so this position just seemed like a really good fit. I think one of my favorite things about working here are the people. I really love everyone that I work with. It really makes me excited to come to work, to know that I'm gonna be supported, whether it's with work-related items or personally, that there are people here that are genuinely kind and genuinely caring. The benefits are really great. The vacation is very flexible, and that everyone here is really open to helping you succeed. It's nice to know that we are helping save lives, especially from the night vision aspect. I do have some people that I know that are in the military, and so it kind of hits home that what we are doing is helping people, and it's helping the country as a whole kind of succeed in what we want to do, accomplish across the world. I'm Leann Downey, and I work at Elbit America.